This is Sharon. Sharon is an outstanding chef that works at the Sugar Shindig. Sharon is also mother to Sean and shy little Shiloh, both of whom shake things up with their shenanigans. Shouldering a shining career and shipmastering a family keeps Sharon surely swamped. Sharon has visualized her dream home for sure, but specifically she knew she needed a bathroom that she could shut off her mind and shamelessly relish in shallow water, surrounded in luxuriousness. Though when she finally found her shrine, it had one shockingly glaring problem, shooting through the window. So Sharon searched for someone who could solve her shambled plans. She called the team at the Shutter Shack and showed them the peepshow that had become her window. Every shady person that shuffled by could see Sharon while she shaved in the shower. The Shutter Shack made sure to work around her astonishingly shrinking schedule, showed her their selection while explaining her choices, and ensuring every shilling spent as cost-effective as possible by sharing their years of experience. Now Sharon can shower and shampoo without being shunned for a lack of shears. Sharon loves her shutters and is reassured in her decision because she knows the Shutter Shack only supplies window shades that come with a warranty and installed by professionals, as it should be. Sharon doesn't need to worry about shabby workmanship or a shoddy product. The Shutter Shack has shown Sharon that getting the perfect window shades doesn't have to be a shambles or cost you a shocking amount, which allows Sharon the time to focus on the special things, like being a chef and Sean and Shiloh shenanigans. So give the team at the Shutter Shack a shout if you need a shutter so that your neighbors don't get a show.